I can't pull it. Gary's gonna pull it. I can't do it. Wait, wait, wait. Ah! Okay, it's not gonna be that bad. It's not gonna be bad. Hey guys, it's Destiny Lashea, and you see this? It's about that time. So recently, I've been using this roll-on wax, and for some reason, I just cannot get it right 100%. First of all, I feel like I had the wrong wax. I recently just got the real wax. It's called Wax Up. I got this whole kit thing off Amazon and the wax strips. I don't really know what I'm doing. I watched a couple like TikTok videos and YouTube videos just to make sure I know what I'm doing, but this has been sitting in the warmer for about an hour and it's still not hot enough, I don't think. So I'm gonna boil some water and put this down in some water so that the wax can be really you know, ready to go. I've used this plenty of times on my legs and I have used it on my underarms, but it gets really sticky sometimes, so that's why I decided to get the real wax instead of the bootleg wax. But yeah, hopefully this works. I'm gonna show you guys today what my underarms will look like after this. I'm not an esthetician, I'm not anybody professional, I am just a DIY queen, honey. Honestly, I just have serial DIY syndrome, okay? Obviously this is a family affair because everybody but Leilani is over here. Okay, so what I actually had to do was Gary boiled some water for me and I put this little cartridge in some boiling water because this wasn't heating up fast enough. I feel like you have to plug this up like hours ahead of time, or get a better one. This is a bootleg version, like the warmer. Okay, I'm kind of scared. Okay, what I'm gonna do first, this is my little wax strip. I'm gonna take the wax roller and just get the wax moving a little bit, and I'm just gonna roll it down it just to see if the wax is hot enough. Okay. Ooh, it's hot. Ooh, look at that. I'm kind of excited. Okay. Okay, let me clean my underarms. Alcohol. I'm gonna clean under my arms because I have deodorant on.
Mommy.
Okay, look, mommy making a video. So I've seen on like TikTok people using powder before they go in and wax. Excuse me, but using powder before they go in and wax. So I'm gonna do that. Let's see. Ooh. I'm kind of scared. Okay. I'm kind of scared because I know this part kind of hurts a little bit. I think it says roll in the direction of your hair. So. It's going on pretty smooth. Like I said, I've never used this wax before. I feel like it's a lot better than the other waxes I've used in the past because it's like smoother. The other wax that I used, it felt like it was like pulling my skin more when I was doing this, and it definitely felt a lot more painful. Ah! This is one. I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna use this one. Ah! 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 Okay, wait. I'm trying to do TikTok at the same time. I only want to pull this one time, but I'm kind of scared. I'm kind of scared. All right, Gary, you ready? All right, Gary's gonna pull it off. Gary's gonna pull it off. I don't know which way you should pull it, up or down. Are you supposed to pull it up? Are you supposed to pull? I think you're supposed to pull it up. I can't pull it. Gary's gonna pull it. I can't do it. Right. Wait. Gary's gonna pull it. Gary, you gotta hold my skin. What's wrong? What happened? But you gotta pull it fast.
Just rip it.
Yeah, not yet. You can.
Oh no, you got your hair in here.
Just okay, Gary. You gonna have to rip it good though. Like rip it from the middle. Put your.
I got two hands.
Okay. Wait, I'm scared. I'm scared. Okay. Okay. Wait. Okay, go. You gotta do it. Oh my god. Oh my god, this works so much better. Oh my goodness, look at that. Yeah, the other wax does not compare to this wax at all. Look at all that hair. You know that other one did not do this. And it was stickier. Remember? Mm-hmm. This is the hair. Wow. And these wax strips are better too. Oh yeah. And I feel like this method just works a lot better too. Putting the powder. I've never tried the powder and then the powder and then the roller. You see how clean that is compared to that? Okay, I'm gonna use the baby powder again. Ooh. Hey, Lonnie, turn that down, please. What? Oh, it's Leela? Yeah. Okay, turn it down a little bit. Okay. Kind of hurts like as it gets a little colder. Ooh. But you gotta kind of do this to get the wax towards the roller.
Okay. Like a one-time use wax.
This is a, yeah. Gary said, is this like a one-time use wax? No, it's not. And this is only for personal use. Like, don't be sharing this with nobody. Because it's like unsanitary. But no, you can use it more than once. You just keep heating it back up. Okay. Okay, you ready? 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 Okay. Woo! Oh my gosh. You ripped it off really good though. Should you let the wax sit before you rip it off, or
I have no
not sit? Somebody tell me. And I think you are technically supposed to rip it this way and like hold your skin. I don't think you're supposed to rip it down this way. Somebody tell me in the comments. I'll have everything that I use in this video in the description box. Okay, it's not gonna be that bad. It's not gonna be that. Okay, it's just the anticipation. Like, okay. Okay, you don't gotta do that one. Okay, wait. Oh! God! Oh my God. Oh my God, it's the initial. Woo!
Daddy, I need help.
Oh my God, but that hair though? Guys, do you see how much hair it took out? It literally took out every single grain of hair, it looks like. Definitely don't have to pay for underarm waxing anymore. Look at that. I'm all waxed. And thank you to my hubby for helping me, because I don't think I could have pulled it myself today. It's like different days I'm a thug and then other days I'm not. Make sure you subscribe if you're not already. Like this video if you did. My lip combo is the Fenty MVP and Breadwinner on the outside. I know you guys are gonna ask. Yeah, that's it. Love you guys so much. Bye.